I love my mother. I love my husband. I love my girlfriend. I love my father. I love my brother. I love my sister. I love my auntie. I love my uncle. I love my family. I love my sweetheart. I love my girlfriend. I love my body. I love my breast. I love my body. I love my uncle. I love my nephew. I love my buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. I love my buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. My buttocks. I love my husband. I love my sweetheart. I love my boyfriend. I love my girlfriend. I love my family. I love my sweetheart. I love my husband. Oh, please, madam, why you can sing the beats?
I don't tolerate nonsense song.
Like,
this time, if you come, you don't have good song. You can't come and song.
Oh, Jesus!
Boss, please. Good afternoon.
How do you enter the studio?
Boss, I'm going to Accra. I'm missing Accra Road. I can't find Accra Road.
You miss Accra Road and come to my studio for what?
Boss, I am missing.
You miss?
Yes.
Just like that?
Yes.
Just like that? You miss? You don't have any
Listen. So, where is the passport?
Accra Embassy.